If you're trying to run ads on Facebook or on Instagram, say you're trying to boost a post and you're experiencing issues with payments, you're not able to use your debit card, this tutorial is going to be super helpful because I'm going to be showing you exactly what it is you need to do to resolve that issue and get your ads running successfully. However, you also have seen this video before running your ads because chances are that you already made a mistake and tampered with your ads account setup. But don't worry, by the time you finish watching this tutorial, you're going to know exactly what it is that you need to do to resolve that issue. One of the things you're going to be needing for this method is the Meta Ads Manager app. So if you don't yet have it installed on your device, go to your Play Store and download and install it on your phone, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it. And make sure you stay until the end of this tutorial so that you won't miss out on any of the things I'm going to be sharing with you. Hi there, my name is Mary Adole, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online and also a whole lot on sales, marketing and advertising. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, so you're stumbling on this video for the first time, please do not fail to hit on the subscribe button so that you become a part of our growing family. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the app you're going to be downloading is the Ads Manager, the Meta Ads Manager app. So once you download it, and of course this Facebook account is already logged in on your device, right? Once you come here, it's going to prompt you to log in as your Facebook name, right? So just click on continue. So once it takes you into the Meta Ads Manager interface, you can click on it and then it's going to lead you to set up your ads account. So this is it's a very simple process. So you can toggle this on if you want to receive notifications to stay updated, but maybe you don't want to, you can just maybe toggle them off, then click on continue. Then it's going to bring you to your dashboard. This is how the dashboard is going to look like. From here you can actually create ads, right? I also have a tutorial on how to run ads effectively from this app. Once you're here, the next thing you want to do is to click on your account name, and then you're going to see billing and payment. So this is where it's very, very important. So when you click on add funds, all right, when you click on add funds, you're going to be seeing several payment options. Make sure you don't select this one that says debit or credit card, because once you select that and you enter your credit card information, your account automatically becomes a postpaid account or an automatic billing account, whereby Facebook would want to deduct the money automatically from that card you have set. But when you use this pay by transfer or pay by USSD or even pay in NAIRA with Verve/Visa/Mastercard, you're going to be able to add prepaid funds, right? You're adding prepaid funds into your ads account. The fund is going to be there. So that is what you're going to be using to set your ads with. Paying with transfer is very simple. So once you click on next, they are going to give you an account number that you pay to. So all you just need to do is to go to your whatever payment app you're using, make the payment, and then come back to this page and refresh. Once you refresh it, your payment is going to be reflected here. All right, it's going to be reflected here. So I'd advise that you pay with a little amount of money first, so that you can be sure of what you're doing before you proceed. So if you follow this method, you're not going to be having issues with your account getting disabled because there is a failed payment method, because that is what a lot of people have issues with. Once they open a new Facebook account, or they want to run ads for the first time, they go through Facebook and then they click on boost post, and then when they get that payment option, they select the payment method and they enter their card, and then Facebook actually allows their ad to run. The ad actually runs, but by the time Facebook is trying to debit them from that card that they included as a payment method, Facebook is not able to recognize the card, and that is how their account gets disabled. Once you have funded your account and the money is reflected here, if you want to set up your ad from here, if you know how to do it, of course you can go on ahead to do that. But if you want to boost your post from Facebook the same way you've been doing it, of course you can still do it. So all you just need to do, of course, is to navigate to your page, all right, and then click on it, and it's going to ask you to switch to your page normal. So switch to the page and then go to where you have your page and select the post you want to boost. Click on it. So once you have entered all the details and it is now time for you to add funds, by the time you're seeing payment details, you would find that the money you added on that app is now going to be reflected here, and you can now go on to boost your post. All right, so it is only when there is no enough money here that you now click on boost post. They will now ask you to add funds. Okay, another thing you need to take note of is by the time you're setting up your budget, if your total budget is exceeding the money you have in your wallet, it is still going to ask you to add funds. That's another thing a lot of people don't understand. Let's say for instance that by the time you add your daily budget and everything, and your total budget is around, let's say 7,000 naira for instance, or let's say 8,000, and you had funded 5,000 naira in your ads account, they are going to tell you to add funds. So if I click on boost post now and I click on pay now, if you're note very carefully that if you're using an iPhone to set up your ad on mobile, it is usually very, in fact, if you're using an iPhone or you're using an Apple laptop, right, payments for ads or for certain things online are always more expensive. So if you're running ads and you're running through an iPhone, you're incurring more cost. All right, so I usually don't even try this. I don't try it at all. So I prefer to run ads from my laptop, or maybe if I need to run it from a mobile phone, I can do it from the app directly. But assuming that now that my I had already funded my ads account with, let's say for instance, 5,000 naira, and my total is 11,000. If you click on boost post, they are still going to ask you to add money. And when you're adding money, if you need to add money at all from here, make sure you click on pay by transfer. Don't click on pay with or add a payment method. If you add a payment method, you're setting yourself up for trouble. Okay, so now this also applies to Instagram. The only difference is that your Instagram ads account is separate from your Facebook ads account. So when you want to run your ads from Instagram, automatically the billing is in dollars, right? Most of the time the billing is in dollars, but you can actually switch your Instagram ads account. So once you're on your Instagram account, all you need to do is to click on these three horizontal lines here, and then scroll down to where you have creator tools and controls. Yours might be slightly different depending on how your account setup is. But once you come here, you're going to see add payments, right? So click on add payment, and then you're going to see switch ads accounts. Now the ads account that is connected to this Instagram account is the one that is showing here, this Grillmat marketing. So if I want to switch it now, it's going to ask you to log into the Facebook account, right, on this device via the web. So it says check your Facebook account to boost. So it's going to say this account to be used to get your Facebook ad account info. If you'd like to use a different Facebook account, you can switch it now. So what that simply means is that if you want your Instagram account to be connected to that ads account that you have just funded, or that you have set up your ad manager app with, you have to log it in. So if you click on continue now, it's going to take us to the web version of Facebook on mobile and ask you to log in, right? So you want to ensure that you're not only logged into your Facebook via the app, you're also logged in via the web. All right, so if I click on switch Facebook account, it's going to take me to log in to Facebook on the web, right? So it's going to take you to facebook.com and not the Facebook app. So it's going to bring up the option for you to log into your Facebook account. So all you just need to do is to log in, and once you log in, you're now going to be able to switch into that account. Now I've made several videos on this channel talking about the same issue, so I'm going to also leave it in the description of this video so you can check it out and see how it works. All right, so that you follow the step and get it correct. But after logging in your Facebook profile on the web, everything is simple. So all you just need to do is to come back here, and then switching is now going to be very easy. So if you try this method, you should be able to set up your ads seamlessly without any payment issues from the very beginning. But if you've already started to experience issues with payments and your account has already been disabled because you already attempted to set up your ad with a payment method, just like I said in the course of the tutorial, what you can actually do is to create another ads account and then link it to your Facebook and your Instagram account. I have a couple of tutorials on this channel that addresses this issue. I'm going to be linking them in the description of this video so that you can also go and check them out. But if this is going to be so much of an issue for you, Say that you don't have the time or you're confused about how to go about all of this because it's looking too technical, of course, you can come through to me on WhatsApp and we can have a conversation on how I can help you resolve this at a fee. And if you're out there, you need professional help with setting up, managing and optimizing or even scaling your ads, my advertising agency, Smart Kids Media, is open to doing that for your brand. You can find more information on how to reach across to me as well as information on other helpful tutorials in the description of this video. So make sure that you visit the description of this video. And don't forget to like and share this video to as many people in your network that you believe will benefit from watching this video. And until I come your way next time, bye for now.